So speaking of Kelley Blue Book portal that we've been discussing for the past several months, we were talking about the Send Smart application, which I was explaining to you, text is the future, FaceTime, etc. Well, now with this Kelley Blue Book Buying Center, customer discloses all the damage, such as yourself. You go in the portal, you put all your vehicle information there, it generates a number. Kelley Blue Book generates a number. So what you have to do is bring the vehicle in, we confirm the condition. Now we run it through the UVEYE system, which I demonstrated to you earlier, and like this Honda Accord we just took a look at, with 40,000 miles, it's a decent car, but if you look, it needs 4 tires all around, we told the consumer, and it's got sidewall damage, curb rash, and it's got a couple scratches and dents on the exterior, which it disclosed. So what we did was we uploaded this, confirmed the condition, and Kelley Blue Book regenerated a figure, so the figure could be the same or it could be a little bit different due to the extended damages on the vehicle. So we print this full report out. So what happens is we hit this button right here and it generates a full report that we print for the consumer to keep. So a lot of times people go to dealerships to get their car appraised and they go through the process. It takes an hour and this and that. Oh, this got this damage, your car's worth $5,000 less. Now, that puts you kind of uneasy because you don't see the facts of why the vehicle has diminished value. Now you can actually see the facts. Now, if it's just a small dent or, something very, very minor, obviously the price is not going to go down. I mean, it's something we could pull out very, very minimal. But when you see the extensive damage on the vehicle, like rims and tires and stuff of that nature, it could get pretty costly. So obviously there has to have a market adjustment on that. And that comes directly from Kelley Blue Book. So check us out. Give us a call, 609-882-0600, or go on the Kelley Blue Book portal. Have your car appraised today. Thank you.